Unlock the future of your business with the power of digital twins. Join us for an exclusive workshop that demystifies digital twin technology, a game changer for enhancing efficiency and cutting costs. Whether you're in manufacturing, construction, city hall, fashion, or healthcare, our expert-led sessions will show you how digital twins can transform your operations, streamline project management, and boost your bottom line. Learn how to implement this revolutionary technology with step-by-step guidance tailored to your business needs. Gain insights through real case studies and interactive activities designed for beginners. Spaces are limited. Secure your spot today and step into the future with confidence. Transform your business with digital twins and visit our website